Hey guys, welcome to another video. This has been you guys have been waiting for this a lot. So this is a tutorial on how to make a solar eclipse game or animation. The links will be in the description and you can like whatever. So go into the model link will be in the description so that you can insert it in your game. You can do whatever you want with it. And then I'm going to show you how to use it. So, where's that? Where's it? Okay. Just it. And now that you've got your now shows up. Now that you've got your base plate, I'm just gonna shrink those a little bit. Find this one I can shrink. And you gotta get the model. As you can see, I got the model. I got the model. And then you can delete the base plate if you want. You always have to have like a waypoint part that is anchored and as can glide off and it's invisible. So if you want to make your solar eclipse animation, like if you want to make a video of it, then go to shape, ball, cylinder. And then you gotta size cylinder to be flat. And then you gotta duplicate it. Control D on Windows or Command D on Mac. And you gotta anchor this sun. And then you gotta name it sun whatever you want. Neon. I make it this color. And you have to get a waypoint part. So you gotta get an anchor. Call this part waypoint. And then you have to make the can't light off. Transparency 1. And that's what's happening. Okay, now you have your solar eclipse animation. Skyboxes, you can get like a get like a black skybox or a black sky. Look at this. It's not working. Anyway, you can go into the moving scripts to change the speed and the stopping distance. Don't ask what is it, try whatever, just and then gonna make it 50, maybe 5. Yeah, 5 is a normal speed. Whatever, just get. Oh, no, that's wrong one. Uh-oh. That's good. We're gonna make the moon like texture neon so that it's invisible until it goes in front of the sun. And then we can run it. Oh, and then ring this positive button. Why is just okay? And as you can see, the moon is coming in, blocking the sun. Looks like a crescent moon. And then a total eclipse, and it goes back. So that is how you make your solar eclipse animation. To actually make it like a solar eclipse game, No, wait, so we just. Okay. Now, whatever, just undo everything you did, except for adding in the moon on them. And then you have to get the sun. As you can see, I got the sun over here. There's a shadow. We're gonna put it back up like that. And then we're gonna get, so there, and we have our solar eclipse. Copy the moon part if you want. Call it waypoint. Make transparency 1. Can collide off. And basically, it acts the same. And as you can see, the solar eclipse is running up. There's the shadow. Oh my god, I actually forgot to record. Okay, and as you can see, the solar eclipse, the moon is moving as it showed. And as you can see, the shadow is over there. We're in the shadow. Okay, there's a sliver of the sun left and total eclipse. And it's ending. So that is how you make your own solar eclipse game. Now, if you want to make it more realistic, or like make it feel more realistic, something like that, just wait a second. Gotta shrink it down a little bit if your moon is very close. And I have to get a map. Like a spear mesh. Now you have to be in the meshes category, or else there's like the normal mesh parts that are set to sphere. Gotta go like a random sphere. I just use this one. And there you go. You have your sphere. Gotta copy the mesh ID. Copy the base plate or make a new part. Duplicate the base plate or make a new part. So you get press plus button and then put in a special mesh. Put in the exact mesh ID. Paste the exact mesh ID in, and there you go. You got yourself a sphere. I'm gonna make this like medium stone gray. Gonna move the light out of the way. Gonna make this. Gonna call this atmosphere. Gotta turn off cast shadow. Gotta scale it up a little bit. Gotta scale it up so that fits. Now here is the part that makes it an atmosphere. Gotta make the sides negative, so like go to scale minus 12, 12, 12. So you gotta put a minus in front of the 12s. There you go, you got yourself an atmosphere. Now you gotta turn the transparency a little bit up, so you can actually like see the sun. Then got a space, like a Milky Way sky. I don't think this is a good skybox. Yes, it's not. Now the sun's angular size is 21. I'm gonna memorize that and put it in here. The sun has same size. There we go. And the easiest way to like make the sky is to get the default sky. I'm using the Skybox browser plugin. Use it. I'm gonna put in the default sky. And we're actually gonna put it in workspace. No way. We just gotta insert the regular skybox. Now that we got our default sky, skybox back, put in the atmosphere, decal, back. Let's see if this works. No, it does not. So we're just gonna get like the front of the sky, maybe the right. Put it as a texture ID, and oh my god, that did not work. We gotta get it like a sky texture that actually works, not like this. Maybe we need a new mesh. What about this high polygon sphere? I'm actually going to use this improved sphere. Yeah. But yeah. Okay, now we got our. So we're gonna get like the left part, and then we're gonna put it in the text ID. And as you can see, that actually kind of worked. So we're gonna use that. And then as you can see, when the sun gets covered, you can see like all the stars like in real life. It's pretty cool. And as you can see, like the shadow appears. And to spice it up a little bit, we can add sun's rays effect and an atmosphere effect. So that it looks better. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? I think that looks cool. I mean, look how bright that is. What if we remove the atmosphere? Okay, yeah, definitely looks better with the atmosphere. Look at that. What if we size up the... Oh, no, we will. Yeah, that definitely is good. And as you can see, that is our little faceplate. Now compared to a player, let's just like put in my avatar in here. Compared to the player, this looks tiny. What the fuck? Okay, anyway, we're gonna put an R6 rib of my avatar in here actually. And as you can see, it's pretty small compared to me. But if you want yours to look like this, then and like you don't want to make the moon bigger and for there to be no shadow, then you kind of have to be at this. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want, like, if you enjoyed the video, if you like my channel or like my videos in general, subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to see my videos or whatever, and bye! I said bye. I said bye.